Hello everyone, today we're going to make this tasty Aloo Methi Paratha recipe. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. I'm mashing 3 potatoes that I had boiled in salt and water. Taking 3 cups of fenugreek leaves or methi, 4 cups of all-purpose flour and 3 cups of whole wheat flour. If you like, you can take all of it as whole wheat flour. Adding 2 tablespoons of oil, 2.5 teaspoons of salt, half tablespoon of chaat masala, half tablespoon of cumin powder, 1.5 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of coarsely ground coriander seeds, 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Adding the methi leaves and the mashed potatoes. Add water as needed and knead into a soft dough with hands or with a stand mixer. Coating the dough with 1 tablespoon of oil. The dough should dent easily but should not be sticky. Dust the dough with whole wheat flour and roll into a thin circle. Apply butter on both sides. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel.